What's up YouTube? Corey from Corey's Custom Installs coming at you today with another tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble JYE TECH DSO138 Digital Oscilloscope Kit. For this tutorial, you're going to need a soldering iron, a multimeter to test your components with, as well as some sort of clipping tool that you can get close to the board. I just use a pair of nail clippers, so I find it's the easiest to get closest down into the solder. So let's go down and start this tutorial now. guys, now that your oscilloscope is assembled and running, the next thing to do is calibrate the probe. So you're gonna select your sensor 1 switch to 0.01 volts. Select your multiplier to times 5 and your CPL to AC or DC. So I'm just going to go with AC here. Now you're also going to select your time base to 0.2 milliseconds. And connect your red clip to the signal. And we should see it like that. So, I think it's actually good. I don't think we have to, but let's see what these do anyways. So you put your small screwdriver in here. I don't think my screwdriver is even small enough to turn these. It's too pointy. Let's get a different screwdriver. Okay guys, so I got a screwdriver that fits now. So mine was actually calibrated really good, but you're probably gonna have it something like this. So all you're gonna do is stick it in and turn it until you get rid of that little spike. So right there should be good. And then this top one is rounding over the edges there. So you just turn that one till it's nice and square. And then the next thing to do is just assemble it in your case and you have your oscilloscope completed. Thanks, and as always, if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later.